Okay, so let's make our bookmarks. Here are some examples. Here's a funny little guy. He actually has orange ears and he's happy. And this guy has taller ears. He's happy too. And then this guy, he's made out of a mailing, like from a from a catalog. So if you don't have construction paper, color paper at home, you can use anything, any paper. Okay, so let's get going. So we have our book and we have all of the supplies, and actually just using a marker and a glue stick. I'm just going to eyeball the shape of the square. I'm not going to worry the shape and the size, actually. I'm not going to worry about if it's a perfect square right now. Okay? And I am just going to fold it into a triangle. Okay, so we have all this extra space here, and we're just going to cut that off. Okay, so now we have our perfect triangle. Fold these edges, both edges, to meet the tip here. Okay, so let's fold this back here to meet that tip, and do this one the same way. Okay, so you have kind of like a diamond shape here. And what I found is that it's better if you close it, like this part here, make sure that it meets, the edges meet each other. Okay, so now that we have this shape, let's open it a little like this and lift one edge of this back piece. So you lift it and fold it back onto itself like this. Okay, press it down nice and firm, and then we're just going to tuck each of these edges under here. I'll bring it closer so you can see. So we're just going to fold that under and fold this one under as well. Okay, so basically here's our bookmark. And now we can decorate it any way that we want. Let's see. So, for example, if we like the ears idea, let's make some more ears. So you can, and you know what? Let's make a different shape ears, because we did both the rounded ears here and the more elongated with a rounder shape, but let's try something totally different. Let's make maybe triangle ears. So let's see, just cut a square here, completely thinking this up as I go along, so there's no right or wrong. Yeah, so almost like we started with the bookmark. I'm just making a triangle, and let's see. Okay, so yeah, it's a little too big, so let me make them a little bit smaller, but I think this is going to look really cute. Okay, so I have my 2 ears cut out, and I'm just going to make my inside ear indication. So let's okay, so here we go. Moving right along. So you glue the face part of the ear like so. Okay, that looks cool, huh? I just gave it some eyes and a nice little smile, and there you go. So let's test it out. And it fits perfectly. So I would love to see your bookmarks. Please do share photos and enjoy your journals or your sketchbooks and making fun bookmarks.